My dog has a black nose. It's so cute. It's like a baby meatball.
Meatballs are brown.
You're so mean to me. I want to be a unicorn.
You can't.
Phooey.
Guess what I love?
What?
Slapping perky redheads.
Did you hear what my giraffe just said? He's so inappropriate. These ladies think they're auditioning for a role.
Here,
Let's do it.
open. Yeah, that's right. Cat likes cereal. Good, good. Want some more? Want some more? Yeah. Any more questions?
One time, my brother tried to fill our pool with garbage. Tacos, yay! One time, I ate a hamburger, and then like an hour later, I was sneezing, but I don't think it had anything to do with the hamburger. One time, when I was 7, I was at the beach, and I made a sandcastle, and I called it Cat's Castle. True story. Look, I made my tiger purple. That doesn't happen in nature. Does my thumb look Spanish?